scribble, and splash. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let's get started. Hi, welcome back, friends. Let's make a glass of boba tea, my favorite. It's easy and will look fantastic. I am using a bold black marker, but you can start with a pencil if you like. Draw two parallel, slightly tilted lines for the shape of the teacup, and draw a curve to join them both. We will join them again from the top to make the lid of the cup. Time to make this tea look cute. Eyes and a cheeky smile. Fill in. Oh my God, cute! Aww. Draw its arms and legs on each side. Filling in the cup with some tea. Make a slant line and join it with a straight line to draw the straw of our cup. Draw a tiny oval at the end of the straw for its opening. Here's the fun part, adding boba pearls. Let me know which is your favorite flavor. Time to color our drawing. You can use the same colors as I did, or use your own imagination. Purple for the lid. Orange for my tea. Careful around the boba pearls, please. I would like a green straw. My straw looks fun, isn't it? Adding some dimension can make your drawing look real. Can you see it? I am using a color pencil for this part. Yay! This looks exactly like I imagined. Fantastic. See you next time.